When people talk about the world's greatest festivals, you already know the names. Beer mugs clinking at Oktoberfest, desert art at Burning Man, colors flying at Holi. They're incredible, but they're also predictable. And if these are the only ones on your radar, you're missing out on celebrations that can be just as powerful, but in some cases, far more unique. So here are 5 festivals that you should consider before the year ends. Each one is completely different. From glowing rivers and skies in Asia, to centuries-old traditions in Europe, to a creative playground that feels unlike anything else. And number 3 on the list is an underrated gem that most people have never heard of, but it might be the one that you remember the longest. Some of these are global icons, others are hidden treasures, but all of them are worth knowing about. The only question is, which one do you want to end your year with? Let's start with Mexico, because if you've seen Coco, you already know a little about this one. The Day of the Dead is celebrated every year from October 28th to November 4th, with the biggest nights being on November 1st and 2nd. But it's not Halloween. It's something even deeper. In Oaxaca, the streets come alive with giant puppet parades, marigold flowers, and the sounds of brass bands that echoed late into the night. Cemeteries transform into spaces of light and laughter, where people share food, stories, and music with the ones they've lost. It's festive and emotional at the same time. As a traveler, you don't just watch. You're invited to take part by painting your face in the iconic Katrina style, or by simply joining in the crowd. If you want to understand how a culture turns a memory into celebration, the Day of the Dead is the place to start. From Mexico, let's move to northern Thailand, when November brings one of the most breathtaking sights you'll ever see. Yiping and Loy Krathong fall on November 5th and 6th this year, and Chiang Mai is the best place to witness both of them together. During Loy Krathong, people place delicate baskets of banana leaves, flowers, and candles onto the river, watching them drift away with their troubles. At the same time, Yiping fills the sky as thousands of lanterns rise, carrying people's wishes upwards. From the banks of the Ping River, it feels like the world is glowing in every direction, with candles floating across the water and lanterns lifting into the night. If you want to join in, do it the local way. Buy a lantern from a street vendor, light it, and release it with your own wish. Just make sure it's biodegradable, because respect is a part of the experience. December brings something very different, a festival that most people outside of Turkey have never heard about. In the city of Konya, from December 7th to 17th, the Mevlana festival honors the life and teaching of Jalaluddin Rumi, the 13th century poet and mystic. I'm sure you've come across his words. Even if you didn't know, they were his. What you seek is seeking you. His poetry has influenced music, literature, and even Bollywood lyrics in India. The festival centers on the Sema, the sacred ritual of the whirling dervishes, dressed in white robes and tall felt hats. They spin in rhythm to haunting flute and drum music. This isn't performance, it's prayer. Every spin, every gesture is a part of a meditation that has been practiced for centuries. The most important ceremony takes place on December 17th, marking Rumi's passing and his symbolic union with the divine. For visitors, the tickets cost you only 200 lira, but what you witness is priceless. Konya isn't a party destination. It's a place where silence and devotion create an atmosphere you won't find anywhere else. For Indian travelers especially, there's a sense of connection there, because the words we grew up quoting suddenly take form in front of our eyes. After the quiet reflections of Konya, Europe in December is pure festive energy. This is Christmas at its source, where the markets that inspired the rest of the world first began. In Munich, Marienplatz turns into a festival square beneath the glowing tree, in front of the town hall. In Vienna, imperial squares become winter festivals filled with gingerbread, mulled wine, and music. These aren't tourist shows. They're traditions that have lasted for centuries. Throughout December, you can base yourself in one city and take short train rides to visit others. Entry is free, and just a few euros is enough to enjoy the food and drinks that define the season. If you want to experience Christmas where the market tradition was born, this is the region to visit. And finally, Thailand gives you one last reason to travel before the year closes. From December 11th to 15th, Wonder Fruit takes over the fields outside Pattaya. If Christmas markets are tradition, Wonder Fruit is reinvention. It's called the Burning Man of Asia, but it's more rooted, more creative, and more sustainable. Here, fields transform into bamboo stages and sprawling art installations. By day, you can join yoga classes, creative workshops, or farm-to-table cooking experiences. By night, the space turns into a festival of sound, with international DJs and live bands playing under the open sky. Food is just as central as music, with everything from street stalls to curated banquets. Tickets sell out quickly, so planning ahead is key. This festival enforces sustainability too, so you're expected to carry your own cup and bottle, which actually makes you feel more a part of the culture instead of just a spectator. Wonder Fruit is less about consuming and more about participating, and it's the perfect way to close the year with creativity, community, and energy. So there you have it, 5 very different ways to finish 2025 with memories you'll carry long after the year ends. Just choose the one that speaks to you the most, the one that matches where you want to travel this year. And when you're ready to plan, make it easy on yourself. Use Atlas to sort out your visas without the stress of confusing forms. That way, you can focus on the festival itself, not the paperwork. Tell me in the comments which festival you would put on your list. And if this gives you new ideas for your travel, subscribe to Atlas Explorer, India's #1 travel channel.